Welcome to our guide on how to share your milestones on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to start crafting your post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event to commemorate your milestone. 4. Choose Milestone and Achievements to highlight your special accomplishment. 5. Enter a title for your milestone and include the date to mark this significant achievement. 6. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 7. Utilize the audience selector to determine who you want to share this exciting news with, whether it's friends, family, or a specific group. 8. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share your milestone with your Facebook connections, celebrating your success and progress. By following these steps, you can showcase your achievements and milestones with your social network on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to post your milestones on Facebook. Share your successes, accomplishments, and special moments with your online community to inspire others and celebrate your journey. Embrace your milestones and achievements by sharing them on Facebook, connecting with others who support and cheer you on as you reach new heights and create lasting memories.